Hey, where's the ice cream? Yeah, that's hot. Thank you, Pucker Butt. Thank you, Smoking Ed. Johnny Scoville, can't wait to see you eat probably 40 of these. Bryan Ambs, I love your video.
Hey guys, this is me, Destiny, with Destiny Reviews, and today we have a package from Pucker Butt, and it's the new challenge, Choco Challenge. This is what the box looks like. We got two, and let's open this up. Two boxes. And two stickers. So we got the white lightning, white chocolate fused with 12 of the world's hottest peppers. Warning, stupid spicy. 50 meals donate per bar sold. So we got two. For every Choco Challenge bar purchase, 50 meals will be donated to local food banks to end hunger. So we got two, so it's 100 at my dad to join me. And
this is pretty cool. I'm kind of excited. Bryan Ambs, we saw your video. Johnny Scoville, we haven't seen you do it yet. Ryback has heat. This is gonna be a hot one. Ooh, bright red, that's cool.
yeah. So inside it has a red bar, and then it says, eat it, film it, share it.
Eat it, don't share it.
You
What's
must
the challenge?
eat the entire bar of chocolate, and 2, film it. Take a video or a photo of you attempt to eat the delicious white chocolate bar from hell. Terrible sweet pain awaits. Share it. Post your attempts on social media for a chance to win a year of hot sauce. Ooh. And then it says last chance to turn back.
And it's white chocolate?
Yeah. And then that's what happens.
Oh, that is super cool. They're tiny. Let's smell. What else is in there?
Just
That's
something.
cool.
Just a box.
Oh man, these boxes are cool. Got our stickers.
One for each of us. Yeah, maybe sticker.
Mm-hmm. It's not white.
Oh man.
It's more of a brownish, pinkish red. Oh.
Oh no.
It's chocolate.
Smells like pure Ryan.
I told you you don't have to do all this, but it's probably gonna be your hottest challenge ever. Right?
Yeah.
Are you gonna do all of it or just some of it?
I might do some of it and then see how it goes, and then I'll eat all of it.
Okay.
Just for you guys.
We love you, you too.
Yeah.
You ready? Cheers. The chocolate's good. It's like this smoky, floury flavor at first.
Okay.
But that is good chocolate. And here comes the heat.
When I first took the bite, it was totally heat.
Immediately. You don't have to do any more of this.
Oh, I'm done.
Probably a lot for a kid. Yeah, you done?
Yeah.
How many Reapers are in there, or how many peppers?
12 of the world's best Reaper.
Oh, the world's hottest?
How long do you have to wait?
Just like, a little while.
Oh man, my ears are.
Ears are ringing.
Yeah, my ears
Face
are
is
ringing.
red.
My face is red. My throat is on fire. My tongue is like. It's so hot.
Sides of my tongue are really hot. The whole palate. Not quite the throat yet. But, oh, it's hot. I feel my face getting red and my head sweating. What do you think? Your hottest challenge ever? Fed 100 families. How does it make you feel?
It makes me feel good, but when you eat that, it's like. Oh, I don't know. I can't describe it.
But it's pretty hot. If I had Johnny Scoville, I'd eat the other one right now, but it's a little hot. Might take a bite just to be a little crazy, but
I think I got the hottest one.
they're both hot. Go over crunchy. Yeah, that's a really good challenge. Hey, where's the ice cream? Yeah, that's hot. Thank you, Pucker Butt. Thank you, Smoking Ed. Johnny Scoville, can't wait to see you eat probably 40 of these. Bryan Ambs, I loved your video. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the bell, thumbs up buttons.
Ice cream.
That is pretty good. I'm trying to burn a little bit longer. You helping? Your ears are so red. That's pretty good. Bell Life. Would love to see you guys do this one. And the puker. He'll puke for sure. Maybe Houston Jones. I'm sure his tongue is way too muscular for this challenge. I'll take another bite, but this will be a little freaking stupid. Okay, I've also done one of these. I'm gonna do 1.5.
Oh my god.
Love you, you too. Love you so much. Am I officially the first person to do 1.5 ever on YouTube for the challenge? Is that helping?
Help me, ice cream. Help me.
So I ate 1.5. I fed 75 families. She ate half one. She fed 25. Good job, kid. First 10-year-old girl on YouTube to ever take this challenge. Pretty impressive. You feel better?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going on for ice cream. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe, like that button, and turn on your notifications, and I'll see you next time when you do a video.
Everybody stay healthy in these times. It's crazy right now.
And don't go anywhere unless if you have a mask.
Please.
Bye.
Thank you.